Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play What I Like About You by the Romantics. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D major, G major, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. The next chord is going to be G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord is going to be C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D major for 4 beats, G major for 3 beats, C major for 5 beats, and back to G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. And every time that we chuck on the strumming pattern, it's just going to be on a down strum. By the way, if you don't know how to chuck on the ukulele, then make sure that you check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. So the strumming pattern should sound something like this. Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D major chord. Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. And now let's play that same strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through What I Like About You. What I like about you, you hold me tight. Tell me I'm the only one who wanna come over tonight. Yeah, keep on whispering in my ear. Tell me all the things that I wanna hear, 'cause it's true. That's what I like about you. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play What I Like About You by the Romantics. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.